Assalamu alaikum students, 3 class NA. And you know that we in last video we completed unit number 9. As I have told you, page number 49 we studied in previous video. Students, I have told you that how you will give answers from there, and I hope you have done questions and answers on your notebook. Next column, I hope you have done. And here on page number 48 there are filling the blanks and question answers. Now students, today we will start unit number 10. Topic is questions with prepositions at the end. What is topic, students? Questions with prepositions at the end. So now students, questions. Firstly, in previous unit we studied about questions, and I have told you that what are questions and how we can use in sentences. Next, prepositions. Today I will tell you the meaning of preposition, that what are prepositions, and at the end it means that we will use preposition at the end of the questions. Here students, I have written questions that I told you that what are questions. Again I am telling you what, whose, when, which, why. These are questions. Students, these are WH words as well, as I have told you in previous video. Now preposition. You know that students, these are questions and we use questions for asking any question, and in the last of the sentence we use question mark. Here preposition, I will tell you that what is preposition. Students, a preposition is a word which is placed before a noun to show its relation. Preposition is a word which is placed before a noun to show its relation. Example: to, with, into, in, of, from, etc. Students, there are many prepositions. Some I have written here that mostly used in sentences. Now students, our topic is questions with preposition at the end. So now we will use preposition at the end of the question. So questions, you know that these are questions we will use in the start of the sentence. Always we use what concept is, what question we use in the start of the sentence, and in the last of the sentence question we mark question mark. So first is, what are they waiting for? Students, preposition, some verbs are there that we use preposition after verb. That prepositions are fixed with that word, like waiting. Wait, students, wait mean इंतज़ार करना. So always we use wait for. After wait we use for preposition. We cannot use here to and into, in, any preposition we cannot use here. Just for we will use. What are they waiting for? You know that there is question what, and in the last of the sentence for is there. So for is preposition. For is preposition, wait is verb, and what is questions. Next, who is she talking to? Here who is question and she, who is she talking to. After talking, students, we use to. To is preposition. What do you eat with? With this preposition, what do you eat with? It means that हम किसके साथ खाते हैं. What do you eat with? It is question. Now students, we will see on book that how they have given sentences by using preposition at the end of the question. Here students, you can see there are some students and there is teacher standing in the class. So the sentence is the teacher is talking to the children. Here to is preposition. Now we will change this sentence into question. Who is she talking to? Who is she talking to? She is talking to the children. Who are the children listening to? बच्चे किसको सुन रहे हैं? They are listening to the teacher. Here in the last of the question there is to preposition. Next, what are they waiting for? They are standing and they are waiting for a bus. What is the woman? Here you can see looking for. After looking we use for preposition. Here for and to, these are preposition. She is looking for her glasses. What is the little boy playing with? With is preposition and he is playing with his top. Clear? Who is the boy hiding from? That one you can see who is the boy hiding from. From is preposition. He is hiding from his father. Clear students? Now students, cleared everything? Any questions? I have told you students in this lecture about questions, that what are questions and preposition. Firstly you have to learn questions pattern, that how we can use, as you have done in previous unit. And now preposition definition, I told you that you will learn firstly, then you will use in sentence. And students, you will make maximum 5 to 6 sentences by using preposition at the end of the question. In the start you will use question and in the last you will use preposition. Clear? Allah Hafiz.